how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy that you were able to click on that link to watch this video. I am Mariah, aka Curly Engineer, and all my content right now is all about natural hair topics and engineering topics. So I'm really excited to share this video with you all. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded my last video. I had to take a small break for a good reason, but all is well, and I'm really excited to give you all this video on today. So for this video, long time ago, specifically about 5 months ago, I know I am so sorry. I asked if y'all wanted to see like a natural hair growth tip video from me, and a lot of you wanted to see that, and then I never got a chance to actually film it for you all. So I was wondering, I'm like, okay, are they still interested in this video? I really wanted to make sure that I was able to film this for you all and get this out to you all as soon as possible, because this video is overdue. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first tip that I want to share with you all concerning hair growth is incorporating clarifying treatments. These treatments are so important to unclog the pores of your scalp, and also to make sure you're removing toxins from your hair and making sure you're getting the bacteria from your scalp so that your scalp can actually breathe, and then that also promotes hair growth. So these clarifying treatments, I actually started incorporating these about a couple of years ago, and I started using the bentonite clay and the aretha powder one. Now, I released that video last year, but I've been using those clays, you know, prior to that, so they actually do work. In that video, I shared all the details on the importance of using bentonite clay for your hair and aretha powder for your hair, and then you could also find other clays or anything of that sort, like Rasul clay. Charcoal, activated charcoal, has been very popular in the like curly hair community, especially within certain products like Cream of Nature and Not Your Mother's. Using these different clays and clay masks, they really do help with hair growth. Another clarifying treatment is apple cider vinegar rinses. This is the 8-ounce applicator bottle. What I usually do is that I'll put 1 ounce of apple cider vinegar, and then I'll fill the rest up with warm water. And then I'll go in the shower and make sure I'm able to apply this to my scalp, and then I'm rubbing it at the same time. So I'm making sure that the apple cider vinegar is reaching to my scalp, and this helps to clarify your scalp and get rid of all of those toxins as well. So I actually do use the apple cider vinegar. Oh, by the way, this is not apple cider vinegar, it's an oil mixture I've had in here, so don't mind that. But we're gonna pretend it's apple cider vinegar, and I'll use the rest to apply to the rest of my hair shaft, and that also helps to clarify my hair as well. At the same time, it's balancing the pH in your hair, and you're able to like kind of give your hair a reboost with the apple cider vinegar rinse. So definitely I'll recommend you use these clarifying treatments just once a month. That will help to really get all that buildup and all the toxins out of your hair. And then you can go on with your regular shampoo and condition routine throughout the rest of the month, and then you start back over with your clarifying, and then, you know, go on with all of that. So you'll just become a healthy cycle of, you know, clarifying, but then, you know, replenishing the moisture in your hair. So for the second tip, I definitely recommend that you use a very good deep condition regimen that works for your hair, because everybody's hair is different. They have different types of hair, different curl types, and different porosity types, and the thickness of their strands. Like, there are so many different types of hair, and it's so many different types of combinations of hair. You really gotta find what works best for you. Some people like thicker conditioners, some people like lighter conditioners, some people like, you know, the in-between, which is me. I love creamy, like a thick creamy conditioner, but it has movement to it. But the main reason why I'm saying to use a deep condition regimen is because Deep conditioning is the most important step of a curly hair wash day because it deeply penetrates the moisture into your hair strands. So you could be using it for like 5 minutes and that works for your hair. Some can go a little longer, which I do. I go about 30 to 45 minutes. Sometimes 1 hour is fine with me. And then others, they like to use it overnight, which there are some deep conditioners that you can use as an overnight deep conditioner. Definitely these deep conditioners, they put so much moisture back into your hair, and you have some that helps to improve the elasticity in your hair. All of this is helping to have your strands be healthier, and that also promotes length retention. But if you do add oils to your deep conditioner, such as like tea tree oil, rosemary oil, castor oil, coconut oil, any oils that are very essential to hair growth, I like to apply those onto my scalp while I'm applying the conditioner to my hair. So I get a 2-in-1 where I'm getting like the nourishment to my scalp and letting that marinate in the cap, and then I'm also getting a nourishment to my hair strands, and that helps to promote, you know, length retention because my hair is moisturized and it prevents breakage as well. Deep conditioning to me is like the most important step in a curly hair wash day. All right, so for my third big tip is moisturizing and sealing your hair with a good oil. What I usually do is that I'll use a good leave-in treatment, whether it's leave-in spray, a leave-in conditioner, any type of leave-in treatment. The leave-ins are the base of moisture. Those are the base of the hydration that you're putting into your hair. Now you're going to using your creams or your puddings or anything that's very moisturizing like that. You use those to seal in that hydration of the leave-in and the base of that moisture. But at the same time, I use a lot of moisturizing products that does have just a little bit of protein in them because I want to make sure that I'm getting structure to my hair and that my hair doesn't get too soft, but it has some good structure to it. Then I seal my hair with the oil. So these oils are usually the light oils. So any light oil blends or just light essential oils are excellent. Just to say all of that, moisturizing and sealing your hair, it does help with length retention because you are giving your hair a good base to prevent hair breakage. So anything that is preventing hair breakage for your hair is a sign that you're giving your hair a chance to see growth, and you'll be able to retain all the length that you're growing from your scalp. Now, the next tip, number 4, is trimming your ends. And this is also very important. Trimming your ends, to me, what I have learned over the years is that trimming your ends just a little bit, this will help to promote length retention as well, because when you see like those little fairy knots, sometimes you can't help them. They come with the package of our hair type, and while you're detangling your hair and your hair just feel like it's just popping off, and that is a sign that you need to trim your hair. So a lot of times you just need to trim just a little bit, but you're also still able to save a lot of your length. So if you just continue to pay attention to your ends, and you will have success in retaining the length. So for the 5th tip is scalp massages. You can incorporate scalp massages about every couple of days or every other day. What these scalp massages do is that it encourages the blood circulation to flow in your scalp so that your hair follicles can actually start growing, or you're encouraging your hair follicles to start growing. Now, what I like to do is just add different essential oils or different oils that that says that it promotes hair growth. These different oils, they have these nutrients that help to encourage hair growth. So while you're massaging your scalp, you're giving your scalp like a 2-in-1. You're nourishing your scalp while you're encouraging it from the inside to grow out. So it's very nice, feels very nice, and is very helpful with your hair growth journey. So I hope that was helpful for you all. So for my final tip, which is tip number 6, is to incorporate healthy eating habits. Now this means drinking lots and lots of water. I know sometimes it's kind of hard to do that, but drinking the recommended amount of water each day, this really helps to move the vitamins and nutrients that we consume through the healthier diet. Help me, Lord, in that area. So for a resource, you can check out the online article called The 14 Best Foods for Hair Growth, and they give you so much information on each type of food and what the benefits are and how they are connected to hair growth. So I really suggest that you can go ahead and check that out. So for another resource, you can check out mainlikeme.com. They have these great recipes for signature smoothies that they have, and all of this is geared towards healthy hair, which also is connected to hair growth and length retention. Okay, so that is it. I really hope that all of these tips were helpful for your natural hair growth journey, and I hope that they were simplified enough, or I just hope that they were informative enough for you in your hair growth journey, and see what you can incorporate into your routine, or if you already incorporated all of these into your routine. And I'll also make sure that I'll put all the links down below to all the resources that I mentioned in this video, so that it will be helpful for you all to find more information for your hair growth needs. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below your hair growth goals or anything that you didn't see in this video but it is helpful for your hair growth journey. Let us know down below in the comment section. And if you'd like to join this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you here. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be alerted when I post my next upload. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!